Every teacher dreams that their student will surpass them. But what happens when the student outgrows the teacher in reality? That's the dilemma with AI today. We are building systems that learn faster than us, adapt quicker than us, and maybe one day think beyond us. This sparks a powerful question. Are we training AI to replace ourselves? If AI becomes smarter than humans, who should be in control? Welcome to episode 6 of Cyber Charcha Shots, where bold questions meet bold voices. Joining us are two leaders navigating the future of AI, Ms. Priya Chawla and Mr. Chirag Parmar. So let the Charcha begin.
I think largely there is a misunderstanding of how AI systems work. We are not training AI to replace ourselves. We are training it to augment human capabilities in ways that it was never done previously. The real disruption isn't AI replacing humans, but humans who understand how to leverage AI replacing those who don't. We've had disruptions in the past, like the industrial revolution or the internet boom. The technology didn't eliminate us, it eliminated the need for those who couldn't adopt the new tools. So, in the future, AI and human collaboration is the way to go, not human and AI competition.
If AI becomes smarter than humans, I would still not trust it all the way through. You can run a plane on autopilot for maybe 80-90% of the journey. You still need a human intervention. You still need two very experienced pilots in the cockpit for the remaining 10% of the journey, right? Uh, which brings me to a very interesting question, and this is something that people have been asking me for about a year now. Will AI replace our jobs? Will AI replace humans? The answer is no. AI will not replace you. However, a person using AI will. If I'm far more efficient in using AI to deliver better outcomes than what you would do, definitely you'll get replaced. So, are we training AI to replace ourselves? Absolutely not. See, this is a paradigm shift in your marketing careers. If you're just getting started or if you've been in the industry for about 20 odd years, we're both on the same page. We're both tackling something which is new, something which has a learning curve. The faster you learn, the faster you adapt, the better you grow. And you will see a lot of new age marketers becoming leaders in the industry because of the ability to change themselves. So we're not replacing ourselves, we're practically training ourselves for the next era of digital marketing, and AI is going to stay. AI is going to be a very big piece of it.
Today's conversation showed us that AI might be smart, but control isn't just about intelligence, it's about values, vision, and responsibility. A big thank you to our speakers for bringing their perspectives to this thought provoking question. We've heard their voices, now it's your turn to answer. Who should be in control when intelligence surpasses us? Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and keep the charcha going.